So today we'll be making ube chocolate chip cookies, and these will be the ingredients. So first they're going to sift the flour, mix the butter.
Pwede na yan. Pwede na.
Alright, that's good enough. That you add white sugar to the mixture. You may add the cup of brown sugar next. Now we add eggs into the mixture. Approximately how much eggs? Just one or two? 2 eggs. Oops. Now we mix. Then we add the ube. We add a 1 tablespoon of ube extra. So after mixing all the wet ingredients, we mix it with the dry ingredients like the flour and baking powder and baking soda as well. After mixing it, after mixing the batter or dough. After mixing the batter, now we add the white chocolate chips.
Kaya nakaganyan yan.
Magtapos.
Okay na yan. Antay nyo na yan. Ilang minute.
So now we bake the cookies.
Go.
Right.
Pagsanay na rin
So now we take the cookies out of the oven.
O, di ba?
Place the cookies on the cooling rack.
Okay na.